Please be seated and let us turn to the decree section. 60. To the Master's vessel. We have been called by beloved Morya and beloved Gautama Buddha to be ministering servants, to minister unto life. This is the title in our church of those who would be called reverend in another church. We wish to be known as ministering servants of God's people, ministering to the flame of life in their hearts, caring for their souls, nourishing them, feeding them when they are physically and spiritually hungry. Our beloved Nada the Chohan of the sixth ray is the sponsoring master for Jesus' ray, the ray of the Piscean age, the ray of Christ, the minister, the shepherd. And so we give 60.03 to put on the mantle of the ministering servant, whether formally or informally, officially or unofficially, all of us, in order to master the sixth ray of Jesus Christ, must minister to life in our families, in our jobs, at home, out in the world, everywhere. We are constantly alert that there are people in need. They have many sorts of needs, and we attempt to supply those needs where they are, to help them with a comfort flame, to then rise higher because they are comforted, to be able to seek the inner light. We know that when people have physical and human wants, deprivations, sicknesses, losses, suffering, that burden is so great that they cannot for the moment pursue the path. Therefore, we heal their wounds and hearts. We raise them up. We transfer light that we have gotten from the sun to give to them that they might also strive to become one with God. So to be the Master's vessel, we ask that the mighty I am presence in Christ's self, which is called the electronic presence of the Master, be superimposed upon us, that our physical bodies work and serve for the saints robed in white, who have everything and more than we do except one thing, a physical body. Therefore we lend our bodies to the Lord, which are his, in the beginning as his temple,